Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to disable IPv6 on your Ubuntu system, both temporarily and permanently. This is useful if you are facing network issues or just want to rely on IPv4. I'll keep it simple so even if you're completely new to Linux, you'll be able to easily follow along. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, let's start by disabling IPv6 temporarily, meaning it will stay off until the system restarts. Open your terminal, and in the terminal, simply paste the first command that you'll find in the description box below, or you can copy it from here. Now, simply hit enter, add your password, and IPv6 will be disabled temporarily. The moment you restart your system, IPv6 will be re-enabled. Once the first command is completed, paste the second one. In the first method, there will be a total of 3 prompts. This is the second one, press enter. Now the third one, let me paste the third command. Once you've done that, these commands will disable IPv6 for all current network interfaces. It will also block new ones that appear later, including local network interfaces. So keep in mind this is temporary. If you restart your computer, IPv6 will be turned back on. To re-enable IPv6 without restarting your system, just run the same 3 commands given above. All you have to do is change the value from 1 to 0. Let me show you what I mean. Simply enter the first command and change the value to 0. Repeat this for all 3 commands. After doing that, IPv6 will be re-enabled, and you once did even have to restart your system. Now let's move on to the second method where I'll show you how to disable IPv6 permanently so it stays off even after you reboot your system. First, open your terminal. We'll do this by editing the GRUB config file on your system. Simply copy and paste the command you'll find in the description box below. Here, look for this particular line. You'll need to make a simple edit. Go to the description box and find the line that says IPv6.disable =1. You'll paste that line in front of the word splash right here. Just paste the line exactly as shown. Make sure to add a space before IPv6. As you can see, it will look something like this. Once you're done, save the file by pressing Ctrl+O on your keyboard, then hit. After that, press Ctrl+X to exit. Now paste the final command, which will update the boot settings. When you restart your computer, IPv6 will remain disabled. Just hit enter. Now wait a few seconds. And that's it. You've just learned how to disable IPv6 on Ubuntu both temporarily and permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.